Did you know that your car is snitching on you and telling insurance companies what you do behind the wheel? Yes, this is true, and all cars are reporting data to insurance companies, and there's no way to stop it. You may have heard about the insurance reporting issue that goes to exactly what I've been talking about. If anyone actually read the fine print for all those little mobile apps and vehicle agreements that connect your car to your phone or get you those really great apps that you like to follow, well, they would never sign up for them if they actually read the small print. Because when you understand what they're tracking, you won't want it. Now that you've heard that they're actually selling your data to insurance companies and then the insurance companies are using it against you, you don't even know that it's possible until it's already happened, and then your rates are up. And if that was explained to anyone before they signed up for these mobile apps or any of these contracts, no one would sign up for them. It's pure deception. And I foresee lawsuits and hope that the automakers and the insurance companies have to pay millions because this is not right. How far has this gotten? Well, automakers are collecting driving data from customers and quietly providing it to insurance companies, and the practice has resulted in some unassuming drivers seeing their coverage increase dramatically or even terminated due to this practice. This is not for reasons like accidents or tickets. It's based on what the computer thinks. The data provided includes information on the length of your trip, your driving behavior, such as hard braking, hard acceleration, and speeding. Now, this does not include why it happens, such as avoiding hitting another driver or swerving around a pothole or escaping a potential accident. No explanations means that the insurance company can use these reports to assess the risk of a current or potential customer and adjust the rates or even refuse coverage based on their findings. Automakers and data brokers claim they do not collect information without customers' consent. Sure, but many consumers are unknowingly agreeing to this data collection when they sign off on disclosures without reading the fine print. Honestly, who reads that super fine print? Almost no one does. And I always say, what the big print gives, the small print taketh away. And it actually is. Now, I have sounded the alarm in the past, and if you sign up for usage-based telematic programs that are offered through insurance carriers to save money, they even have more data on you. And this is where you allow your insurer to track your driving habits through a mobile app or a plug-in device in your car through the onboard diagnostics. This includes tracking the time of day you drive, how far you drive, your braking, your acceleration patterns, and whether you engage in distracted driving behaviors. Adding in what the car companies collect could make your rates go even higher through the roof because they don't know what's happening if you're sitting at a traffic light or even parked in a parking lot. Through the app, they get a ton of information from you. Does this feel like a betrayal? To many drivers, the answer is yes. A computer decision based on a LexisNexis report, which details your driving behavior, including numerous instances of hard braking, hard acceleration, and speeding, and quick maneuvers. What are the definition of these terms? No one seems to really know, but the insurance companies are deciding the ranges that are acceptable or not. And that is why rates are going higher for literally everyone. So you have an older car. Your phone is snitching on you too. From many brands such as Kia, Mitsubishi, Hyundai, Honda, and Acura, their apps enable drivers to turn off data collection related to on-road behaviors on their apps. Now, if you search for those on your phone, turn off data collection. This is all hidden in about a 2,000 word in quote terms and conditions section. On that screen that you need to accept in order for that app to work, the small print specifies that the company will share your data. Now, there is a simple solution to the problem. One law that should state, end quote, the default behavior of all companies sharing consumer data with any other affiliated or non-affiliated entity will not share without a separate, clearly communicated opt-in. And no service shall require sharing of customer information with any other affiliated or non-affiliated entity as a condition of the use of that service. We just need to get someone on the House or the Senate to put that on the floor. Let's get that bill passed because this is infuriating to everyone, no matter where you stand on the auto industry. If we could make this a law like I just quoted, in one swoop, every company who profits off their customers' data will come to a halt. Every person should have the ability to opt in to share their data, not opt out. And if you want to promise some special extra rewards for allowing that share, well, good for you. Incentivize it, make money, try to save some money. But people should not need a lawyer to read their customer service agreement or service or purchase agreement, and all of those are literally in every app that we all scroll to the bottom and click, yeah, sure, I just want to use the app. Let me hear what you think. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this one. If you have any comments or questions, I'm sure they'll be good. I'll be happy to get involved in the conversation. You can support me by buying me a cup of coffee. The link for that is in the description, or stay just a second longer for a smart way to save on your cell phone plan. Links for our website, social media, the book, and the podcast are all down below. I'm Lauren Fix. Thanks so much for watching. Have you ever thought, why in the world is my wireless bill so darn high? What are we paying all this money for? Speed, coverage, data, access to 5G, unlimited talk and text, mobile hotspots? We are partnering with Mint Mobile. Mint Mobile offers all of these features for as low as $15 per month. They're reimagining the wireless shopping experience and made it easy and online. No stores, no salespeople, just huge direct-to-you savings. Why should you pay more when you have access to premium wireless? Mint Mobile runs on the nation's largest 5G network. Whether you use your phone to watch YouTube, listen to podcasts, or play games, you get the same speed and performance as the big guys while connecting to Mint's network. How hard is it to switch your service? Big Wireless wants you to think it's hard, but switching to Mint is super easy. Thanks to digital eSIM cards, which most phones now have, you can sign up and activate immediately right on your phone from the comfort of your home. And if your phone doesn't have an eSIM, Mint will ship you a new SIM card for free. Just go to trymintmobile.com/LaurenFix, also linked in the description down below, to get premium wireless for $15 a month.